Let's take a look at the graduated cylinder. It is likely that you will use this device more than just about any other single piece of glassware in your drawer. Why do they call them graduated cylinders? They're called graduated cylinders because those markings on the sides are called graduations. Let's check in with Salim. He needs to make some volume measurements and he's going to use a graduated cylinder. When reading a graduated cylinder, make sure that you read it at eye level. Notice how he holds it up to his eye in order to make the appropriate measure. Many graduated cylinders will have lines that go around most of the cylinder to help you level it as well. When using a graduated cylinder, the first thing we need to do is to figure out how much each graduation is worth. Let's count up with our cylinder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 graduations between 30 and 40. This means that each graduation has a value of 1. In this case, the unit is the milliliter. This cylinder has known graduations of 1 milliliter. This allows us to estimate our measurements to the tenths place. This is where our uncertain digit comes into play. Holding the cylinder at eye level and making sure that the cylinder itself is level, let's zoom in a bit to make that estimation. Remember, by convention, we read from the bottom of the meniscus. In our mind's eye, we will divide the space between one of those graduations into 10 parts. These graduations are not actually on the device. That's why they are estimates. Counting up from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, we see that the bottom of the meniscus sits right around that third imaginary mark. Since we have taken a value in the ones place and divided it into 10 parts, 3 of those parts would be 3/10. Therefore, our measurement is 38.3, and our uncertain digit is that 0.3, the 3 in the tenths place. One more thing. If your graduated cylinder looks like this, it's dirty. Clean glassware runs clean. Get that test tube brush and give it a good scrub with soap and water. And remember, your final rinse is with deionized water. Wonder what that little plastic disc in your cylinder is? Keep it towards the top. It's going to keep you from breaking it when you knock it over. Another happy chemistry student. Thanks, Salim.